read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My dear students, how are you? Sayyida Maryam Naqvi is here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Now it's time to identify letter D. It's lowercase letter D. Now we will learn its sound and its vocabulary words. Let's start how to write letter D. Start from the dot, make semicircle, go straight up, come straight down, make a loop. It will make small d. The letter name is D and the sound of D is D. D, D, dog. D, D, dog. D, D, door. The dog waits at the door. The dog waits at the door. Where does the dog wait? At the door. Good. Name the animal sitting at the door. It's dog. Very good. Now it's time to mime. Swing your arms like a dolphin. And say with me, dolphin. Dolphin. Now it's time to say goodbye. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.